Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome to the Scratch Batch. Today we're going to start with polygons. I hope the audio is clear. Okay, so this is Scratch Batch. So far under geometry we are done with lines and angles, triangles, and in the session yesterday that we did, we completed quadrilaterals. So today we're going to start with polygons. Polygons are basically closed figure with a fixed number of sides as straight lines. Yes, we're going to talk about some properties of polygons. We're going to talk about types of polygons, and then we are also going to talk about their properties. Okay. Chalo, my name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer. I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This is my Telegram group. If you guys have not joined this yet, please go ahead and do that as soon as possible. The link is given in the description also, or you can search for Surana Live Cat also. Okay. Also guys, a quick reminder, 2 p.m. today, now 1 p.m. 2 p.m. today we are going to do practice on triangles. Okay, so don't forget to join in. Triangles pe practice hai. It is a special class. This will happen on the app. So if you guys have not downloaded the app yet, please go ahead and do that. The session is free. You don't need a subscription to attend the session. This is a free session. I will be sharing the link in this Telegram group. Please do not forget to join it. Okay. All right. So we're going to start with polygons. Let's first talk about what polygons are. Right. So polygons are basically closed figures. Hi Animesh. Good morning. So polygons are basically closed figures which that have a finite number of sides. Okay. So and sides are basically what? Straight lines joining 2 points, 2 vertices. Yeah. So the deal with a polygon is, if I draw a shape, let's say I draw a shape like this. Yes, will this be considered a polygon? Will this shape, is this a polygon? Tell me which of these two will be a polygon. Which of these two shapes that I'm drawing are a polygon? Shape 1, shape 2. Which one of these are a polygon, guys? Both are polygons. Okay, Abhinav. So the deal with a polygon is, one, it has to be a closed shape. We cannot have anything open-ended, right? We cannot have anything open-ended. So this cannot be a polygon because it is open-ended. Okay, can't be a polygon, has to be a closed figure, right? Number two, another thing about polygon is, if you are joining any 2 points in a polygon, if you're joining any 2 points, that is, if you are forming a diagonal, the diagonal must always lie within the polygon. Yeah, for example, here if you see, if I join this vertex and this vertex, it lies within the polygon, right? If I am joining this vertex and this vertex, the line will lie within the polygon, correct? But on the other hand, if you look at diagram 1, if I were to join this particular vertex and this particular vertex, will this diagonal lie within the polygon? यहाँ पे ये दो vertices को अगर मैं join करता हूँ like this, will this diagonal lie within the polygon? No. If it does not lie within the figure, then it is not a polygon. Okay, clear guys? The diagonals must always lie within the polygon. That's the rule. Understood? So this is not a polygon, although this is a polygon. Say yes if this is clear, guys. Diagonal must lie inside the polygon. Okay, clear everyone? Yeah. Abhinav, even in the case of a concave polygon, okay, so we'll talk about concave and convex polygons. We will be talking about regular polygons. Yes, but even in the case of a concave polygon, right, the shape lying, so we do not consider concave polygons in our syllabus में अपन concave polygons को नहीं consider करते, although this is a concave polygon. So concave polygon is what? Where you have shapes bulging inside. Yes, so a simple polygon, right? A simple polygon, we consider a convex polygon as simple. Okay, clear? If the shapes are bulging inside, right, shapes are bulging inside, then we don't consider that as a simple polygon. That's the theory behind it. Okay, we don't have to get into too much of the depth. This is a concave polygon, yes, right? So in a concave polygon, you will have sides bulging inside, right? So you will have one of the angles of this type. Okay, done. So let's go ahead. Let's talk about properties of polygons. In more specific, we are going to talk about convex polygons. Okay, so this applies for both convex and concave polygons, but it's okay. So sum of all the interior angles of a polygon will always be of the form 180 into n minus 2, where n is nothing but the number of sides. Okay, 180 into n minus 2. So if you look at these angles, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, if I want to find out the sum of all of these angles, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, so this is a 7-sided polygon. Sum of all of these angles will always be equal to what? Plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 will be equal to 180 into n. N is what? 7 here, right? Because there are 7 angles, 7 sides, 7 minus 2, which gives us 180 degrees into 5. That is 900 degrees. Clear? Got it? So sum of all the interior angles is always 180 into n minus 2. Done. This applies for any kind of polygon. Triangle, it will work out. Quadrilateral, it will work out. Any polygon, it will work out. Okay. Next, sum of all the exterior angles is always equal to 360 degrees. Exterior angles would be what? If you extend a particular side. If you extend a particular side, then this angle 1 dash. Let's say if I'm extending this side, this angle 7 dash, 6 dash, 5 dash, all of these angles, right? 4 dash, 3 dash and let's say 2 dash. Yes, sum of all of these exterior angles will always be equal to 360 degrees. Yes, this applies for any polygon. Any polygon, the sum of all the exterior angles is always equal to 360 degrees. Okay, and the number of diagonals it could have will be equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. Yes, number of diagonals. So what is a diagonal, guys? A diagonal is a line joining 2 points which are not adjacent to each other. Yes, a line joining 2 points not adjacent to each other. Yeah, for example, if you look at this particular point, point 1, 2 and 7 are adjacent to it. Yes, so other than 2 and 7, any line that I join. So if I join 1 and 3, if I join 1 and 4, I can join 1 and 5, 1 and 6. These will be the diagonals originating from 1. Yes, same way if you look at point 2, point 1 and 3 को छोड़ के बाकी सारे will be diagonal. So this is a diagonal, this is a diagonal, this would be a diagonal, and 2 to 4 will also be a diagonal. Same way for 3, 3 to 1, 3 to 7, 3 to 6, 3 to 5 will be a diagonal. For point 4, 4 to 2, 4 to 1, 4 to 7, 4 to 6 will all be diagonals. Are you able to get this? For point 5, 5 to 7, all of these are diagonals. Yes, Ramesh, this is a convex polygon. This is a convex polygon. not a regular. Yes, we've still not gotten into regular polygon. Okay, cool. Done, guys. So number of diagonals for any of these case you can find out by doing what? N into n minus 3 by 2. The reason why you subtract 3 here, n is the number of vertices. Why are you subtracting 3? Because 1, you cannot join a point with itself and 2 adjacent sides. Yes, one point itself and 2 adjacent points you cannot join. That is why you subtract 3. So n into n minus 3 by 2 will give you the number of diagonals. So apne case mein, how many diagonals would we have? We would have 7 into, number of diagonals would be 7 into 7 minus 3, 4 by 2, which is equal to 14. Yes, count kar lo, you will find 14 diagonals. Clear, everybody? Hi Priyanshu. I'm doing well, thank you so much, buddy. Got it, guys? Next, we are going to talk about a regular polygon, right? We've already seen in triangles and in quadrilaterals, regular means what? 1, all the sides will be equal to each other. All of these sides will be equal to each other. Yes, सारे sides, जितने भी sides है, will be equal to each other. And all of the interior angles will also be equal to each other. Yes, सारे जो interior angles है, this angle, all of these angles will be equal to each other. Yes, so in a regular polygon, it is easy for us to find out each of the angles. Do you agree? It is easy to find out each of the angles. Yes, so what is the shape, guys? What is the shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-sided shape, which is called an octagon. Yes, 8-sided shape. So I know that sum of all the interior angles will be equal to what? 180 into 8 minus 2, correct? Which is how much? 180 into 6, which is 600,080 degrees. 1080 degrees. So this is the sum of all the interior angles. If you want to find out only one interior angle ka measurement, then it will basically be what? 1080 degrees by 8. Why do you divide by 8? Because all the angles will be equal to each other. Say yes if you're getting this, guys. Yes, so each of the side will be equal to what? 135 degrees. Each of the angles will be equal to 135. Cool है? आ गया समझ में? मतलब this angle will be 135, this angle will be 135, all of the angles will be 135. Done? Next, since all the exterior angles are equal, क्योंकि interior angles equal है, तो automatically all the exterior angles will also be equal, correct? So you can find out the measure of any one exterior angle by doing what? One of the two things. One, you can find out an exterior angle ka measurement by going 180 minus the interior angle, correct? So 180 minus 135 gives us 45 degrees. Done? So we can find out all of the exterior angles to be 45 degrees in this case. Yes. Alternatively, what you can do, this is also equal to what? Since the sum of all the exterior angles is 360 degrees, we just have to go 360 by 8, which is 45 degrees. सारे exterior angles equal हैं, so sum 360 है, so 360 by 8, 45 degrees each exterior angle. Done? Yes. And we also know an interior angle and an exterior angle will be equal to 180 degrees. Perimeter of a given regular polygon will be what? N, which is number of sides, into A. Just like equilateral triangle, we have 3 times A to be the perimeter. Square, we will have 4 times A. So square is a regular quadrilateral. Equilateral triangle is a regular triangle. Understood? Yes. Next, we are going to talk about central angle. So central angle is what? The angle formed by lines joining diagonally opposite vertices. Yes, for example, here the diagonally opposite vertex would be this point. Yes, so if I draw these lines joining like this, then the sum of this angle in the middle, sum of this angle will be how much? 360 degrees. Yeah, so always remember, central angle is 360 degrees. All the exterior angles ka sum will also be 360 degrees. Okay, done. Last thing, to find out area of a given particular any polygon, in fact, yes, if it's a regular polygon, agar regular polygon hai, so do you notice how this is split into 8 isosceles triangles? Yes, these two sides will be equal to each other. Same way, all of these half diagonals, diagonally opposite lines, not any random diagonals, but diagonally opposite lines, these are all equal to each other. So you form an isosceles triangle. Are you able to notice this, guys? So if you can find out the area of one isosceles triangle, then you can find out the area of all the 8 of them, ultimately finding out the area of this octagon. Understood? So area, a general formula will be area is what? N into area of the triangle. Cool? If you have any doubts, guys, please let me know. एक बार cool है तो बोल लो, so that we could move on to the next concept, irregular polygons. Guys, yes, no? All right. Next, we're going to talk about irregular polygons. So in irregular polygons, the sides are not equal. If the sides are if the sides are not equal, ultimately the interior angles will not be equal. Yes, Ria, correct. Yes. So if you look at this, this is 45 degrees, this will also be 45 degrees. Correct. Yeah, because this is also 360 by 8, this is also 360 by 8. All right. Okay, so irregular polygon, what happens? Sides are not equal, interior angles are not equal, exterior angles are not equal. Only way to find out the perimeter is to know all the sides, so you have to manually add up all the sides. And to find out the area of an irregular polygon, you have to split the polygon into recognizable shapes. Yes. For example, if I split this into these parts, then I'll have to do what? I'll have to find out the area of this quadrilateral, area of these triangles. This could be the only way, right? Or however you can split it. जैसे भी आप split कर सकते हो in recognizable regular shapes or irregular shapes, but recognizable shapes होने चाहिए, so you can find out the area. Done? So irregular polygons are काफी rarely asked question types, so we're not going to go too much in deep with them. We're going to start with polygons for once. Okay, so try out this example, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay, so Riya and Pragya are saying 9 and B. Okay, how about others? Dinesh says B. Okay. Anyone else? Chalo, all right, so let's look at this. They're saying an interior angle of a polygon with sides n is 140 degrees. Okay, let me call that angle as theta. So if theta is 140 degrees, then can I find out theta dash? That is the exterior angle, which will be 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. So theta dash is how much? 40 degrees. Yes, I know theta dash will be equal to what? 360 degrees by the number of sides. Yes, 360 degrees by the number of sides. The number of sides will be equal to what? 360 degrees by exterior angle theta dash, which is 40 degrees, gives me n equal to 9. Yes, very good, super. But there is a small problem here. There is a small problem here. So if the polygon was like this, if the polygon was like this, yeah, then we could say, yeah, this angle is 140, this angle would be 40. We form a 9-sided polygon. A 9-sided polygon is called what? A nonagon. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. But this would apply when, ये जो अपन ने किया, this would apply when only and only if the given polygon is a regular polygon, correct? Yes, only if the polygon is a regular polygon. What if the polygon is not regular? What if it's like this? What if it is an irregular polygon? So since it is not mentioned in the question whether the polygon is regular or irregular, the answer will be what? Cannot be determined. What if you just ended up finding out that this angle is 140 degrees and this angle is 40 degrees? Okay, well, that doesn't look like this, but okay. Okay, now how can we say for sure that all the angles will be equal? It won't, right? This is 140. Is this 140? Does this look like 140? Is this 140? 140? No. So since it is not given whether the polygon is regular or irregular, you can't assume. Do not assume. The answer is cannot be determined. Clear? I hope you guys got my point. Okay. Chaliye, next question. Priyanshu says say A 36,000. Okay. Dinesh says D. All right. Thus. Okay, we're looking for approximated answers, huh? Approximated answers. Approximately. Okay. Pragya says B 37,412. We need approximated answer. All right, so what is given to us? First, very important thing given to us is what? It is a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon means what? All the sides are equal, correct? Regular hexagon means what? All the sides are equal. So the perimeter, which is nothing but 6 times A, is given as 720 units. Hexagon is a 6-sided shape. So 6 into each side is 720. So each side is 120 units, we found out, correct? Each of these sides is going to be 120 units. Yes. Now what do we have to do? We have to find out the area of this particular thing. Yes, we need to find out the area of this particular triangle. Yes, area of this particular hexagon. Now what do we know about a hexagon? So can I say central angle is going to be 360 degrees by 6, because there are 6 triangles here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, so this is going to give us what? 60 degrees. Yes, so this is 60 degrees. Ultimately this will become an equilateral triangle. Agreed? This will become an equilateral triangle, yes or no, guys? So area of a regular hexagon, can we say is nothing but 6 into area of an equilateral triangle? Yes. So what is area of an equilateral triangle, guys? √3 by 4 a square, है ना? Do you all agree? Area of equilateral triangle √3 by 4 a square. Yes. So this brings us to the area of a hexagon. General formula for area of a hexagon, area of a regular hexagon is going to be equal to what? 3√3 by 2 a square. Clear? ये देखो यहाँ पे अगर if you cancel this off, this is 2 times, this is 3 times, you are getting 3√3 by 2 a square. This is area of a hexagon. So you don't have to remember this formula अलग से, ये formula अलग से याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because they form an equilateral triangle. Yes. So what do we end up getting? 3√3 by 2 into a square, which is 120 square. Getting this? I hope you guys are getting this. So this is what? 3√3 by 2 into 12 square is 144, so 14,400. This is ones, this is 7,200 times, so our answer will be what? 3 into 7,200 into √3. If you put this in calculator, you get approximately 37,412 square units. बढ़िया? Approximated answer पूछा था, which is option B. So Priyanshu, A is incorrect. Dinesh, Dinesh, once check your answer. 6 into 1.73 into 30 into 120. Yeah, close enough, but ठीक है. इसके बाद पॉलीगन्स के बाद सर्कल्स होगा. मनन, पॉलीगन्स के बाद सर्कल्स. पॉलीगन्स आज खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद सर्कल्स करेंगे. ओके. √3 की अप्रोक्सीमेटेड वैल्यू होगी प्रियांशु. √3 की अप्रोक्सीमेटेड वैल्यू होगी 1.732. यस, अप्रोक्सीमेटेड वैल्यू ही लेना पड़ेगा. √3 इज 1.732. वैसे आपके कैट के कैलकुलेटर में स्क्वायर रूट का फंक्शन होगा. CAT calculator will give you a square root function, so you can directly also enter this. Okay, CAT calculator में square root होता है. ठीक है. Without calculator तो फिर आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. You'll have to remember this. Without a calculator you'll have to remember. Yes, at least approximated value आप याद कर सकते हो. Okay, done. चलिए next question. Try this. What is the area of a regular octagon with side 8 centimeters? Quickly try this. Right, Manan. So see, in this question would become almost impossible for us to solve. There are only two ways. One, if we take the trigonometry route. Number two, if we know the direct formula. Yes. Now, if we try to do the trigonometry wala route, if we try to take the trigonometry wala route, what will happen? The central angle, so they're saying side is 8 centimeters, so all of these sides are 8 centimeters. Yes, we will form an isosceles triangle. So we know that this will be perpendicular, this will become 4. Okay, one part is done, but look at the central angle. So central angle in an octagon will be how much? 360 degrees by 8, which is 45 degrees, correct? So ये क्या हो जाएगा? In this right triangle, this will become 45 degrees by 2, which is 27.5 degrees. Yes, 27.5 degrees. Are you getting this? So how much will this become? This will become 45 plus 27.2, which is 72.5 degrees. Correct? Yes or no, guys? Sorry, 62.5, huh? 62.5. yes, not 72, 62.5, sorry. So agar even if we try to use trigonometry here, there is no way we know the value by heart of tan 45 degrees. Sorry, not tan 45, tan 45 तो पता है. We don't know the value of tan 27.5 degrees. Yes, या तो फिर आप आइडेंटिटीज में जाओगे, tan थीटा बाई 2 के आइडेंटिटी में जाओगे, which will be square root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, but again that is complicated क्योंकि you don't know. You can go for that formula, yes, but now let's say it is given. Okay, let's say it is given in the question, then it's a different story. Yes, अगर question में दिया हुआ है tan 27.5 is approximately 0.52. okay, approximately equal to 0.52. अगर ये दिया हुआ है तो बहुत बढ़िया, very good, but if it is not given we can't continue this question. अगर tan 27.5 is given as 0.52, then what we can do? मनन, आपको सिर्फ एक ही साइड पता है ना मनन, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. ए बी साइन थीटा लगा सकते हो, ए बी साइन थीटा लगा सकते हो, यस, बट यू नो ओनली वन साइड. यू नीड टू साइड्स टू अप्लाई दैट फॉर्मूला. दो साइड का आपको पता होना चाहिए टू अप्लाई दैट फॉर्मूला, है ना मनन? आपको सिर्फ एक ही साइड पता है, सिर्फ ये साइड पता है 8. टू अप्लाई ए बी साइन थीटा you need to know, for example if you are going for this side, then you need to know this theta and you need to know this side. ये theta तो हमें पता है 62.5, but again the problem is sin 62.5 and you don't know this side, so AB sin theta भी नहीं लग सकता यहाँ पे. Yes, only alternate would be to go for this tan 27.5. ये लगाओगे तो क्या मिल जाएगा आपको? altitude मिल जाएगा, height मिल जाएगा. So height will become equal to what? Tan 27.5 will be 4 by height. Yes, so this will become 4. This is equal to 4 by the height h. So height क्या हो जाएगा? 4 by 0.52. आ रहा है समझ में? Which is approximately equal to 8, है ना? Approximately equal to 8. मनन, कौन से दो साइड्स भी मैटर करते हैं ना मनन? रैंडमली कोई भी दो साइड इक्वल नहीं कर सकते. ये दो साइड्स इक्वल होंगे. आपको ना तो ये वाला साइड पता है ना ये वाला साइड पता है, सिर्फ ये पता है 8. ओके, ठीक है. ओके, गेटिंग बैक टू दिस, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 8 हाइट आ गया. सो नाउ यू कैन गो फॉर एरिया ऑफ वन आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल, जो कि क्या हो जाएगा? हाफ टाइम्स बेस विच इज 8 टाइम्स हाइट विच इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 8. सो यू विल गेट अप्रोक्सीमेटली 4 into 8, 32 square units. Now that is for one triangle. You need to go for 8 triangles now, right? So area of octagon will be equal to 8 into area of the triangle, which is 8 into 32 approximately. Getting this, guys? Which is 240, 256. But what is the scene? ये 256 जो है वो approximate है. Now you have to look at the answer choices and figure that out, है ना? अब आपको आंसर चॉइसेस देख के फिर फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स द वन ऑल्टरनेटिव. बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है यहाँ पे? अगेन आंसर चॉइसेस में भी you have root 2, 2 root 2, all of this. So the only alternative we have for octagon, only alternative that we have for an octagon is going to be what? Going for the direct formula of it. So area area of a regular octagon is basically 2 times a square, 2 times a square into 1 plus root 2. Getting this? ये है आपका डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला फॉर एरिया ऑफ रेगुलर ऑक्टागन. अनलेस and until we know this ये वाला question नहीं solve होगा. So there are some limitations to logic. हर जगह पे logic काम नहीं आएगा, so यहाँ पे आपको formula से ही जाना पड़ेगा. Okay, so we would end up getting what if we substitute it here? 2 into a square, which is 8 square, into 1 plus root 2. Yes, which is 8 square into 2 plus 2 root 2, which is option A. ठीक है? If you have any doubts, please let me know. ठीक है? This 256 is also actually very small. ये बहुत छोटा value है, right? This will be the right answer. If you have any questions or queries, please let me know. So there are some, obviously there are some questions जहाँ पे आप you can't resist, you will have to go for this. यहाँ पे भी this is not equal to 8, this value will be a little less than 8, है ना? क्योंकि denominator is not 1 by 2, denominator is greater than 1 by 2, तो changes रहेंगे यहाँ पे. Done? चलेंगे next. So now that you know the direct formula for it, can you quickly try to answer this? प्रियांशु, यहाँ पे राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ही तो बनेगा ना? वी आर कंसिडरिंग दिस राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. ये जो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल बन रहा है यहाँ पे, उसे कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. आइसोसेलेस, ये अपन ने बात करी थी ना ट्राइंगल्स में. आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल में मीडियन इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द अनइक्वल साइड, तो ये मीडियन भी हो जाएगा. दिस विल बिकम मीडियन ऑल्सो, दिस विल ऑल्सो बिकम परपेंडिकुलर. ठीक है प्रियांशु? प्रज्ञा is saying C. Very good. तो यहाँ पे कोई दूसरा ऑप्शन नहीं है. वी हैव टू गो फॉर डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला ओनली, राइट? सो एरिया ऑफ रेगुलर ऑक्टागन इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट? 2 times a square into 1 plus root 2. ओके, सो यहाँ पे a कैसे ढूंढेंगे? दे सेइंग सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स इज 20. सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स विच इज 2a इज 20, तो a हमें मिल गया 10 सेंटीमीटर्स. अप्लाई दिस हियर. 2 into 10 square into 1 plus root 2, which is 2 into 100 into 1 plus root 2, that is 200 into 1 plus 200 into root 2. Okay? No other choice here. Clear? So hexagon is good enough. Hexagon is good. अदर शेप्स में आपको थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ द एरिया. चलिए, ट्राई द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So since CAT is not about direct formula based questions, CAT is not about direct formula based questions, it's about logic based questions. So you can, rely upon logic based questions more than formula based. Okay? तो प्रियांशु, ये रहे ना वैसे क्वेश्चंस करो. ये रहे वैसे क्वेश्चन. Superb. Dinesh, Manan, Pragya are saying C, 7:12. Very good. Others? So what happens here? Look at this. They have given a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon hai ye, right? They're saying PR, this line PR is parallel to AF. Okay. And they're saying AP is 5 paths, PB is 2 paths. So since this is parallel and also because this is regular hexagon, regular है, तो ये side भी क्या हो जाएगा? 5:2. Yes. Now to get the ratio of AF to PB, AF to PB, तो AB अगर 7 है तो AF भी 7 होगा, क्योंकि ये क्या है? रेगुलर हेक्सागन है. AB को अगर अपन 7 ले रहे हैं, FE को अगर 7 ले रहे हैं, तो AF भी क्या हो जाएगा? 7 हो जाएगा, right? So what do we have to find out? We have to find out the ratio of AF to PR. Yes. So how is that possible? That's possible by doing what? Extending this side. इसे अगर अपन extend करेंगे, if we extend this side like this, and if I extend this side to form a right angle to form a triangle, let's say AGF. So what do you see? You see that triangle AGF and triangle PGR, क्योंकि ये straight line है, right? This is a straight line. I'm extending this like this. PGR will be similar to each other because parallel lines, because we have AF parallel to PR by basic proportionality theorem, right? BPT, they'll become similar. Yes. So if triangles are similar, then what will happen? क्या हो जाएगा guys? Whatever is the ratio of and also moreover this will become an equilateral triangle, right? So ये 7, this will also be 7, this will also be 7. Yes. So ultimately these angles will become equal. Yes, equilateral triangle. So the ratio of let's say AF to PR will be equal to what? The same as ratio of GF to GR, correct? Do you agree? Oh, sorry, these won't be 7, these will be 5. सिर्फ PFR तक ना, FR तक ही है. Yes, so this will be 7. So what is GF? GF is 7. What is GR? GR will be 7 plus 5, 12. This is our ratio. AF to PR का ratio 7:12. Got it? Clear? आ गया सबको? 7:12 का ratio. Done? चलेंगे next. So you can expect these kind of questions. Okay, ऐसे questions आप expect कर सकते. Now try this. थैंक यू मोक्ष. कैसे हो भाई, कैसा चल रहा है? So the shortest diagonal, they're saying shortest diagonal, right? So diagonal has to be what? Line joining two non-adjacent vertices, correct? So if I take point A into consideration, what will be the shortest diagonal? Will it be AC? Will it be AD? Or will it be AE? Dinesh says D, 15, okay. Others? Right, Vedansh. AC looks shorter, but AC is actually not the shortest diagonal. Yes, it looks like AC is the shortest diagonal, right? But it is not. If you look at this, what happens here? Since this is this is a hexagon, right? Hexagon में interior angle क्या होता है? 120 degrees, right? So this will be 120 degrees. Yes. So if you look at this isosceles triangle obviously, and 120 degrees. So this will have to be the largest side. Getting this? This not the largest, but this will be obviously greater. Okay, this AC is not the shortest diagonal. AC is not the shortest diagonal. Yes, the order will be like this. It will go like AD will be the longest, then we have AC, then we have AE. Understood? I hope you get this point, guys. आ रहा है क्या समझ में? Okay, yes, Pragya's answer is right. 12 is the correct answer. AD will be the longest, then we will have AC and only then AE. Clear? I hope you get my point. Okay. So now it is told that, so we can eliminate this one. Let this one go. They're saying shortest diagonal is 10 centimeters. So AE is what? 10 centimeters. So AE अपन को दे दिया है 10 centimeters. This will have to be perpendicular. ये perpendicular होना चाहिए right angle triangle. Yes, sorry for the diagram थोड़ा सा clear नहीं है. This is 10. Okay. This is 90 degrees. This will be 60 ka half, 120 ka half, 60. So automatically this will become what? 30 degrees. So do we have a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle? 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. Actually, yeah, AE and AC will be equal. Sorry, AE and AC will be equal. My bad. AE and AC will be equal. Yes, because these are same congruent isosceles triangles, है ना? ये और AFE and ABC congruent isosceles triangles. ये भी 120 होगा. तो आप AC को भी ले सकते हो 10 या फिर AE को भी ले सकते हो, one and the same. Yes, correct Riya, equal होंगे. Okay. So if you look at AED वाला right triangle देखोगे तो special right triangle है 30, 60, 90. Yes. Opposite to 60 अगर 10 है, if opposite to 60 it is 10, then we have to find out what will be the longest, that is opposite to 90 कितना होगा. Does this make sense? Yes guys. So opposite to 60 मतलब क्या? √3a है ना? A √3a and 2a. तो अगर √3a हमें 10 सेंटीमीटर्स दिया हुआ है, if we find out √3a is 10 centimeters, then we need to find out what will be 2 times a. So a is 10 by √3. So 2 times a will be 20 by √3. Getting this? Which is how much? Approximately. So this is 20 by 1.73. Approximately will be 11.5 something. Getting this? ठीक है, yes Dinesh, 2 into 10 by root 3, yes, so 11.5 closest is what, 12 centimeters, so this will be our answer. Done? cool है? 30 60 90 एक बार समझाना है वापस. So if you take a right angle triangle, this is let's say 90 degrees. ठीक है, डायग्राम गलत है बट ठीक है, लेट्स अस्यूम दिस इज 30 एंड दिस इज 60. ओके, सो 30 डिग्रीज के ऑपोजिट वाला साइड, 30 के ऑपोजिट वाला साइड अगर A है तो 60 के ऑपोजिट वाला साइड √3a होगा और 90 के ऑपोजिट वाला साइड 2a होगा. यस, गॉट इट? तो वेदांश, प्रज्ञा, योर आंसर्स आर राइट. ऑप्शन A 12. ठीक है. यस, AE एंड AC दोनों सेम होंगे, सेम कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स. चलिए, ब्यूटीफुल. लेट्स मूव ऑन. ट्राई द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस. और कोई दूसरा तरीका ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज करके, स्टिल यू विल गेट द सेम रिजल्ट ओनली. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज करोगे फिर भी आपको ये सेम रिजल्ट ही आएगा. यस, यू कैन गो फॉर tan 30. tan 30 के लिए आप tan 30 नहीं, यू कैन गो फॉर cos 30 और यू कैन गो फॉर sin 60. sin 60 और cos 30, you can go for that and then do it. ठीक है. इनके अलावा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री को छोड़ के there is no other way, क्योंकि फिर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में you need to know this side. Unless and until you know this side, you won't be able to answer this. है ना? चलिए. Try the next question, guys. These are all logic based questions. आराम से ट्राई करो. Anyone answer? So there are two polygons, they're saying A and B. They're saying the number of sides n, number of sides n, उसका ratio क्या है? 1:2. And the ratio between their interior angles is 2:3. Yeah, they're asking what could be the number of sides for these two polygons. Anyone answer? Dinesh says B, 6 and 12. Okay. Others? Chalo, let's try this. So we know that in a regular polygon, so let's say number of sides here is n, so here it will be 2 times n. Okay, n and 2 times n. Yes. So one interior angle, can I say one interior angle? So sum of all the interior angles, sum of all the interior angles is what? 180 into n minus 2 for any regular polygon. Yes. So for the first polygon, can we say it is going to be each angle, one interior angle is going to be 180 into n minus 2 by n. Yes. And for the other interior angle, the other polygon B, the interior angle is going to be equal to what? 180 into 2n minus 2 by 2n, because the number of sides are 2n. Now what are they saying? The ratio is 2:3. इन दोनों का जो ratio है वो 2:3 है बोल रहे हैं, right? So let's divide this. 2:3 में क्या हो जाएगा? 180 into n minus 2 by n divided by, you can call this as 90 into n minus 2 by n. तो by n cancel हो जाएगा. This is 2:3 they're saying. Getting this? So now what can we do? This is once, this is 2 times. We get 3 into 2n minus 4 will be equal to 2n minus 4. Wait, what? Yeah, correct. नहीं, ये 2n minus 2, sorry, this is 2n minus 2, my bad. So 2 into 2n will become 4n minus 4. Getting this? So cross multiply inside. 6n minus 12 is 4n minus 4. So you will get 2n is equal to 8, n is equal to 4. You are getting n is equal to 4. अगर number of sides A में 4 है तो B में 8 होंगे. 4,8 is the right answer. ठीक है दिनेश, प्रियांशु. 6, 12, 7, 14 won't work out. Yes. So this is how you would algebraically answer this. Algebra से आप ऐसे आंसर करोगे. If you want to manually do it, manually आंसर करना है तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? What will happen? You can find out one exterior angle. Yes, for example, if you take 5, 10 में we are doing reverse engineering now. Okay, option A try कर रहे हैं. 5, 10. So 1 ratio is 1:2. 5, 10 is 1:2. That is sorted. We can find out one exterior angle which will be 360 by 5, which is 72 degrees. So from here interior angle will be what? 180 minus 72, that is 108 degrees. Say yes if you agree. Can you do the same thing for 10? So 360 by 10 is 36 degrees. So one interior angle is 180 minus 36, which gives us what? 144 degrees. Are they in the ratio 2:3? Are they in the ratio 2:3? So we know 108 is 54 into 2. So 54 into 3 is 162, not 144. They are not in the ratio 2:3. Eliminate A. आ रहा है समझ में? This would be your alternative. Lengthy तो है प्रियांशु, definitely lengthy है, थोड़ा तो time लगेगा. Yes, so option A did not work out. People who said option B, 6, 12, same thing. 360 by 6 is 60 degrees. So interior angle is going to be what? 180 minus 60, 120 degrees. यहाँ पे 360 by 12 which is 30 degrees. So you will get 180 minus 30 is 150. Are they 2:3? No, they are not. They are not 2:3. Getting this? Similar process ही होगा स्टॉकोहॉलिक. रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग में भी सिमिलर प्रोसेस ही होगा. You'll have to go for finding out an exterior angle and then doing it. Yes, exterior angle, then subtract it from 180. 360 by n will give you exterior angle. So 180 से subtract करो. 180 minus 360 by n. This needs to be compared to 180 minus 360 by 2n. This ratio should be 2:3. So same इधर ही आएगा. We'll reach to the same place. So reverse engineering could be your only alternative. A, B did not work out. C will also not work out. C में भी same रहेगा. ठीक है? जरूरी नहीं है ना प्रियांशु? जरूरी नहीं है. रेशियो दिया हुआ है. 2:3 का रेशियो दिया हुआ है. सो यू कांट डायरेक्टली गेस दैट. ओके, ठीक है. डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज होता तो ठीक है, बट रेशियो दिया हुआ है, सो यू कांट गेट दैट. डन. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ट्राई दिस. दिस इज कंपैरेटिवली इजी. This question is comparatively easy. जल्दी. Dinesh says 20. Okay. Others? Riya says 36. Very good. In the question it is given in exterior angle to interior angle का ratio which is 1:17. Let's say 1x and 17x. We know that an interior angle plus exterior angle should be equal to 180 degrees. Correct? Supplementary. So you get x plus 17x is 180 degrees, or 18x is 180 degrees. So x is 10 degrees. From here you found out one external angle to be 10 degrees. Regular polygon में one external angle is basically what? 360 degrees by n, because sum of all the exterior angles will be 360 degrees. So n क्या हो जाएगा? 360 degrees by external angle, that is 10. So n is here. कोई डाउट? ठीक है. तो अगर कंफर्म करना है तो यू कैन चेक विद दिस. 180 इंटू 36 माइनस 2, 180 इंटू 34 डिवाइडेड बाई 36 विल बी 170 डिग्री कंफर्मेशन के लिए. ओके, ब्यूटिफुल. जिन्होंने बी बोला 36, वेरी गुड, सुपर. रिया, प्रज्ञा, वेदांश, प्रियांशु, दिनेश एक बार ही चेक कर लो. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट. अभी जो देखा था सेम क्वेश्चन दैट वी सॉ, try this. इसमें वर्स्ट केस बन सकता है प्रियांशु? मैं समझा नहीं, वर्स्ट केस मतलब? The same question type we just tried. Pragya says D, 10, 12. So what will happen? One interior angle is going to be what? For polygon A, 180 into n, which is 5n for us, minus 2 by n, here n is 5n, and for the other interior angle will be what? 180 into 6n minus 2 by 6n. Yes, they're saying this should be in the ratio 24:25. ये जो है ये 24:25 के रेशियो में होना चाहिए. Yeah, so what we'll do here is, look, cancel things off here first. पहले cancel कर लो, right? n gets cancelled. This is 5 1 times, this is 5 90 times, 36 times. Same way, this is 6 1 times, 6 30 times. Okay. Yes, what else can you cancel off here? This is 5 times, this is 6 times. So now you have what? You have 6 into 5n minus 2, which is 30n minus 12 is to, या ऐसे ही रहने दो, चलो 5 into ही रहने दो, कैंसिल हो जाएगा फिर. 6 into 5n minus 2 by 5 into 6n minus 2 will be equal to 24 by 20. This is 4 times, this is 5 times. Cross multiply, you will get 25n minus 10 is equal to 24n minus 8. You'll end up getting n as what? 2, correct? N will be equal to 2. So if n is 2, then iska kya hai? 5n, which is 10 sides, and iska 6n, that is 12 sides. Yeah, got it? चलेंगे next. Try the next one. Okay, this is similar. ये homework है, screenshot ले लो. अभी देखा था exterior angle interior angle वाला question. Interior angle is 5 times its exterior angle, number of sides. ये homework ले लो, screenshot. We'll go to the next question type. Done? Try this out now. ये वाला try करिए. Pragya says 160 degrees. Very good. Others? क्वेश्चन में कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है ना. पेंटागन में इंटीरियर एंगल शुड बी इक्वल टू 108 डिग्रीज. नो, डू यू एग्री? 108 डिग्रीज होना चाहिए ना. But this happens when this is only if the pentagon is regular pentagon. Correct? ये regular pentagon नहीं है. Question में दिया हुआ है क्या regular pentagon? No. Yes. So what do we know? We know that the sum of interior angles of irregular pentagon also will be how much? 180 into 5 minus 2. Yes, which is 180 into 3, 540 degrees. So what do we have? We have एक angle 140 degrees plus the other ones are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. So x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x should be equal to 540 degrees. So this is how much? 3, 6, 10x, correct? 10x is 540 minus 140, 400 degrees. So you're getting x is 40 degrees. Now they want us to find out the greatest angle. Greatest angle is 4x. So 4x is what? 4 into 40, 160 degrees. Okay? Got it everyone? तो सुपर. प्रज्ञा, रिया, दिनेश, बहुत बढ़िया. कूल है. कोई दिक्कत समझने में इसे? Done? Try this. Very good Dinesh. A. You don't have to think only. Simple question है. Sum of all exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles is going to be 360 degrees. 360 degrees is basically what? 4 into 90 degrees. So 4 right triangles. ठीक है? Cool. चलो, दिस इज ऑल्सो होमवर्क. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ढूंढना है तो आप कर सकते हो. होमवर्क. ठीक है, ये ट्राई करो. Ratio of interior angle to exterior angle of a regular octagon. जल्दी गाइस, इजी क्वेश्चन है. तो रेगुलर ऑक्टागन में एक्सटीरियर एंगल कितना होगा? 360 degrees by 8, which is 45 degrees. तो इंटीरियर एंगल क्या हो जाएगा? 180 minus 45, correct? 180 minus 45 is how much? 135 degrees. तो ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं कि इंटीरियर इज टू एक्सटीरियर का रेशियो क्या होगा? मतलब 135 degrees is to 45 degrees, which is 3:1. Beautiful, superb. Pragya, Dinesh, C is correct. Riya, please check. 1:3 नहीं, 3:1 होगा. Interior to exterior. Exterior to interior 1:3 है, ठीक है? Quickly try. जल्दी जल्दी. These are all simple questions. Get us familiar with polygons. We'll be doing advanced questions in practice, okay? So what are they saying? Sum of all the interior angles of a regular polygon, which is sum of interior angles, they are saying is 4 times the sum of exterior angles. Sum of interior angles is what? 180 degrees into n minus 2. This they are saying is 4 into sum of all the exterior angles, that is 360 degrees. Yes, this is once, this is 2 times. If n minus 2 is 8, then n is equal to 10. Number of sides is 10. Number of sides 10 मतलब क्या है? Decagon. Superb. Very good, guys. Vedansh, nonagon नहीं. Nonagon is 9 sides. Triangle is 3 sides. Hexagon is 6 sides. Decagon is 10 sides. Okay. Vedansh, clear? Last question. Number of diagonals. Nonagon is a 9-sided polygon. 9-sided. 3 sides is triangle, 4 sides is quadrilateral, 5 sides is pentagon, 6 sides is hexagon, 7 sides is septagon or heptagon, 8 sides is octagon, 9 sides is nonagon, and 10 sides is decagon. Okay, cool. Pragya, Dinesh are saying option C, 12. All right. So what do we know? Number of diagonals of a given polygon is going to be equal to what? N into n minus 3 by 2. Correct? Number of diagonals is n into n minus 3 by 2. They're saying that is 54. So what will we get? N into n minus 3 is going to be 54 into 2, which is 108. Yes. Now I have a very fast, there's a fast way of doing this. You can do reverse engineering. or you can use a little bit of logic. See, what is 108 guys? 108 can I say is nothing but 27 into 4. 108 क्या है? 27 into 4, correct? मतलब 27, if we write it in terms of n into n minus 3, 27 क्या है? 9 into 3. But since we can't get directly 27, ये 4 भी involved होने चाहिए. The thing is, one of the numbers must be a multiple of 9 and the other number must be a multiple of 3. समझ में आ रहा है? एक नंबर 9 का मल्टीपल, एक नंबर 3 का मल्टीपल, इधर विच वेज 9 3 3 9 जो भी. तो लुकिंग एट द आंसर चॉइसेस, अगर मैं इफ आई टेक b एज 9, अगर मैं b को 9 लेता हूं तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 9 into 6. If n is 9, 9 into 6 is 54 only. Yes, not 108. So 9 छोटा है, 7 नहीं काम करेगा because it will become 7 into 4. 19 नहीं काम करेगा because it will become 19 into 16. So 9 and 3 का multiple है ही नहीं. So the only thing left is 12. कहाँ गया? 12 if you try it out. 12 into 9. Getting this? 12 into 9 is 108. ठीक है? चलिए guys, with this we will wrap this up. 2 PM आज 2 बजे we will be doing a special class on triangles. आज पक्का होगा, please join this, okay? New batch started on the 20th for modern math. If you are looking for for enrolling into this batch, then go ahead, take a plus or an iconic subscription and join me as soon as possible. I am taking quant here. There are other educators also taking LRDI and VARC. Yes, you can take a plus subscription. These are the prices for it and this is the code for the discount. Unacademy is also giving you study material now. So you will have 15 comprehensive modules, more than 500 frequently asked questions, and there will be chapter wise practice questions also. So you can opt for the material by taking an iconic subscription or by taking a plus and upgrading to it, okay? You can use Surana Live for the discount. And don't forget guys, 24th, which is tomorrow, kal Sunday 12:30 PM, you'll be having this test. Don't forget to give it. This is going to have double benefits. One, obviously you get a chance to win rewards, which is a very good thing. But even if you are not into them, you also get practice. So don't forget to take the test tomorrow. Amazing prizes to be won and a chance to get 100% scholarship, okay? And Ask a Doubt feature is available on the website and the app. It's a free feature. You can upload your questions and wait for the solution for them, okay? Okay guys, thank you so much. I'll be seeing you all today at 2 PM for triangles ka practice. Until then, keep learning.